Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and come across an ad for a new app called Favepay. It promises to revolutionize the way you manage your finances. But is it really a fintech company? Let's dive in and find out. Favepay is a mobile app that offers a range of financial services, including payments, transfers, and savings. But is it considered a fintech company? To answer that, we need to understand what fintech is. What is fintech? Fintech is the intersection of finance and technology. It refers to companies that use technology to provide financial services. These companies often disrupt traditional financial institutions by offering innovative products and services. Favepay's fintech features. Now, let's examine some of Favepay's features and see if they align with the definition of fintech. Payments. Favepay allows users to make payments for goods and services both online and offline. This is a core function of many fintech companies. Transfers. Users can transfer money to friends, family, or other accounts. This is another common feature of fintech apps. Savings. Favepay offers savings accounts with competitive interest rates. This is a feature that is becoming increasingly popular among fintech companies. Bill payments. Favepay allows users to pay bills directly from the app. This is a convenient feature that can save time and effort. The fintech debate. While Favepay clearly offers a range of financial services, there is still some debate as to whether it can be classified as a fintech company. Some argue that it is simply a digital wallet, similar to traditional payment methods like PayPal. Others contend that its focus on innovation and technology sets it apart. The future of Favepay. Regardless of its classification, Favepay is undoubtedly a promising player in the financial technology space. As the company continues to grow and expand its offerings, it will be interesting to see how it evolves and impacts the industry. So, is Favepay a fintech company? The answer is not entirely clear-cut. While it certainly offers a range of financial services and utilizes technology to deliver them, whether it meets the strict definition of fintech is a matter of debate. However, one thing is certain, Favepay is a company that is worth keeping an eye on as it continues to innovate and disrupt the traditional financial landscape. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.